So this is an introduction to cPanel hosting files 101. So this is a beginner friendly tutorial that explains the basics of cPanel, focusing on how to upload, manage and organize files using the file manager in the cPanel. So as you can see, this is the interface of what the cPanel looks like. You can see what it looks like. So I'll just be giving you a glance. This is the domain setup, the subdomain management, the DNS management, the SSL security, FTP management, the database, site redirection, hotlink protection, um, PHP settings, and all that is the email, the email forwarding. So this is the file manager. So this is where we'll be working on first. And in this section, I'll be showing you how to make use of the file manager, how to upload files and edit files. So let's take a quick look at the file manager and see what it looks like. So let's click. So as you can see, it's loading up. Okay, so this is our file manager. You can see what it looks like. Inside the file manager, this is the folder we'll be working on or with. This is the public underscore HTML. So let me open it up. So these are the files in it. So as you can see, there are some files already uploaded here sometimes. So just to show you what it looks like. So back. So I think this video will be stopping here. So do well to like our videos, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much. So from here we'll be bringing up more videos. Just make sure you click the like button and subscribe. Thank you.